Hello and welcome to Chester Zoo. We're starting off our day with the camels. And they are looking absolutely beautiful today. It is a bit of an overcast day here in Manchester, but it doesn't stop them from enjoying their time out. Next up on our tour, we have some butterflies. So these guys are all native species to the UK and Europe. They also have little snacks here for whenever they want. This butterfly seems to be enjoying the food. Oh, there's a lovely bird having a good time too. He had such pretty color wings. Look at those colors. Amazing! This guy looks very curious about me. Moving along now to the orangutans. Hello there, friend. How are you? You seem very curious. You want to come say hi to me? He doesn't want to look this way, I guess. He looks so fluffy and soft. Orangutans are such intelligent animals. They use tools and they build nests every night. They even wash their hands before eating. What an interesting animal! Such beautiful fur. This guy is climbing all the way up. Wow! It is just so much fun to watch them. Playing, jumping, and climbing. Oh, hello there, friend. How are you doing? He seems really interested in swinging around and having fun. He's got such long limbs and big feet. I wonder how much he weighs. They are so strong animals. It looks like they could hang from their hands all day without getting tired. We saw another orangutan hanging around the top. That was amazing. He just climbed right up that rope. Orangutans can be found in Southeast Asia. There are 3 different species of them. This one seems very interested in exploring his exhibit. What a cool animal! Did you know that orangutans share about 97% of our DNA? So it makes sense why I think they look so human. Like now, this guy is climbing down again. Oh my goodness, what an acrobat! How does he make that look so easy? I would definitely fall if I tried doing that. These guys seem really playful today. Maybe because it's not too hot out yet. The sun hasn't fully come out yet either. But these guys are still having some fun playing together. And then we move over to another exhibit. There is a baby orangutan sitting and playing with its mom. Baby orangutans stay with their mothers for several years until they learn everything they need to survive. Their moms teach them how to build nests, how to use tools, where to find food. Everything they need to know, she teaches them. Such a beautiful bond between mom and child. Moving along now to another exhibit. We have some monkeys here hanging around. Look at them. Another thing that's interesting about monkeys is that they live in social groups. They prefer living together most of the time. Now, look at these guys playing together. Hi there, friend. You want to say hi to everyone? Hello, what a sweet face. These guys look like they might be gibbons. If anyone knows what kind of monkey they are, please let us know down below. They seem quite curious as well. Whoops, almost missed the landing. They also swing through trees using their arms. They are super fast climbers. It was a fun day. I hope you like my video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.